check. Some of you already finished it. So we have Mbak Nana, Mbak Nur Aziza, Mbak Hanan, Mbak Sheila, Mbak Aulia, and Mbak Putriani, yeah, who have done the food materials. Thank you so much. Okay, and then the others, maybe you can catch up with your friends. Yeah. Alright. Okay, so I want you to discuss together these following questions. So I have 5 questions. Okay, so please discuss together in these classrooms. What is a travel blog? Anyone knows about a travel blog? Maybe you can raise your hand if you know what is a travel blog. No, guys? Have you ever heard before about a blog post on website? Okay, and then okay, you want to try? Number 1. Yeah, of course, it's a blog that is telling us, or it tells us about a travel or a trip. Yeah, it's a travel blog. Okay, do you like reading travel blogs anyway? No? So what kind of blogs that you read? Maybe culinary or fashion or something else? Do you read the blog post? No? Like WordPress or blogspot.com? Not yet. It's okay. Okay, so any of you has your own blog? Maybe one of you has a blog website? No? Not at all? Okay, it's okay. This one. So, if you want to plan a holiday trip, I have 3 pictures here, and I want to know about your reasons. Which place will you choose if one day you want to plan a trip or a getaway? The first one. What is the picture number 1? I mean the first picture. Yeah, Nadi. And Prambanan. Okay. Prambanan Temple. Alright. Have you ever been to Prambanan Temple before? Yes? How many of you already been there? Maybe you can raise your hands. How many of you? Maybe some of you already visited Prambanan Temple. Okay. And then we have Jatim Park 2. It's a zoo. Have you ever been there? Alright, very good. Okay, next we have Mount Bromo. Have you ever? Yes? Oh, twice. Oh, you have already visited to Mount Bromo twice. Okay, so among these pictures, which one do you choose to be your own holiday trip or holiday destination someday? Which one? Mbak Fasya? Which one do you choose if you are going to plan a holiday? Bromo. Okay. What is your reason? Why do you want to visit Mount Bromo? Because okay, because the view is beautiful. Okay, very good. Another please. Unique. Okay, so it's unique. All right, thank you. And then what about Mbak Aulia? Yeah, Mbak Aulia. Okay, what about you? Mount Bromo. What is your reason?
Because I never been here.
Oh, okay. You have never been there. So you want to visit Mount Bromo someday. Very good. Okay, next. Mbak Zahra. What about you? Okay, you want to go to Jatim Park too? Yes. Okay, you want to see animals there. All right. One more person, please. Let me have Nur Aziza. Yeah.
I want to go to Prambanan Temple.
Okay, you want to go to Prambanan Temple because?
Because the building is aesthetic, so I want to go to there.
Okay, you want to see the aesthetic
Yeah.
building. Okay, very good. Thank you for your answers. All right. So today we are going to discuss about this. Okay, how to plan a trip or a destination someday. Okay, maybe you want to go somewhere with your friends, with your family. Yeah. Okay. Skip. Okay. Now I have a text here. Yeah. I want you to read silently the text in 2 minutes. Okay, please read silently this text by yourself. Okay, in 2 minutes. Okay, I'll give you 2 minutes. Okay, just read this text. Okay, have you finished reading the text? Already? Okay, thank you. Well, now, after you read the text, I want you to work in pairs. Okay, so you can have your friends next to you. Simply like Mbak Fitri with Mbak Lili. Okay, Mbak Lili. And then Mas Indra with, Mbak? Yeah, okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, yeah. I want you to work with a partner and then you will discuss a question. I will give you a card. Yeah, it is a question card and then with your partner you will discuss the answer. Okay? Okay, and then
So this is weapon or airplane. This one. Oh, like this. Yeah.
who writes the text? What about you? Yeah. Okay. Have you finished? See, one more minute. Okay, one more minute. And then we will discuss together. Okay, finish?
No.
No? How many of you are still working on this?
visit Portuguese for races and Maitara Island and swim at Sulamadaha Beach.
Okay. Next, Mas Indra.
Selanjutnya adalah food truck papeda and kalampa.
Okay, the last one. Okay, I'm sure I'll have a great time. Okay, so let's discuss the questions. Yeah, let's start from Mbak at the back. Yeah, please read the question and then share your answers with your friends.
Does the reader plan to go with his or her own vehicle?
Yes? Does he? Sorry, the question. Does he?
Does the reader plan to go with his or her own vehicle?
Okay, so your answer is
No.
no.
Yes.
The reasons?
Because her go to alone.
Because? Yeah, you said no. So, the writer doesn't use his own vehicle. It means he will go
Use public
use
public transportation.
transportation. Okay, very good. Next.
How long does the writer plan to have the trip?
Okay.
The writer spent 4 days in Tenerife.
Okay, yeah. So, 4 days.
Four
Yeah.
days, yes.
Okay. Good job. Next. Mbak.
Where does the winter plan to go?
Okay.
Winter want to visit Portuguese for and Maitara Island and swim at Sulamadaha Beach.
Okay, so the writer wants to visit Portuguese port races, yeah, and Maitara Island. Okay, very good. Next. Yeah. Okay. Great job. How you know that the writer feels excited? Yeah. He says, yeah, the last sentence. I'm sure I'll have a great time. Okay, well done. Next. Right. Yeah. Okay. The writer plans to stay in and in. Okay. Yeah. Very good. Next, the last question.
What does the writer plan to do there? I plan to spend 4 days in Pilates Sunday. I plan to sail on the Dorogoda ship from Surabaya. I can stay in and use public transportation. I want to visit Portuguese fortresses and Maitara Island and swim at Sulamadaha Beach.
Okay, so what does the writer plan to do there? It means the activities that he is going to do, yeah, during the holiday. So how can we know the activities he is
Swim
going
at
to do?
Sulamadaha Beach.
Okay.
To visit Portuguese for
Yes.
and Maitara Island and swim at Sulamadaha Beach
Okay, and then
and to try the local food like papeda and malaka.
yeah, that's it. Yeah, he wants to try the local food. Okay, like papeda and lalampa. Okay, very good. Next. Now. Okay. We will play a game. I will give you some statements and then what you have to do, you will state whether the sentence or the statement is true or false. Yeah, so you have already read the text, right? And then you are going to state whether the statement that I am going to display on the screen is true or false. Okay? And then all of you will stand up here. Okay? Make just one line. Okay? And then when the statement is true, you will move forward. And then if the statement is false, you move backward. Okay? For example, like I have this one. The blogger's name is Kathy's Footsteps. So if this statement is true, you will move forward. Yeah, but if it is false, you move backward. Okay? Just be yourself, just be confident. Yeah. Okay, I'm sure you already read the text, so yeah, you're ready for this. Now please make a line here. So how many of you? 12. Okay. 12 students here. Please come in front of the classroom and then make a line, please. Yeah. Just stand up here and yeah. Yeah, just okay. We can move here. We can start. Okay. Now for all of you. Okay, just make one line. Go in so your friends can have the space here. Okay, please. Move aside. Move aside. Okay. Okay, yeah. I will have my laptop. Yeah, are you ready? So you still remember what you have to do when the statement is true? You will? Yeah. Forward. Okay. But if it is false, you move backward. True. Okay. Okay, yeah. Are you ready? Ready. Okay, so let's start. The first statement. The blogger's name is Kathy's Footsteps. Just move. False. Okay. So the name is? Cats. Yeah. Okay. Very good. Okay. Next. The blog post title is a piece of heaven in North Maluku. True or false? True. True. A piece of heaven in North Maluku. True or false? True. True. Yeah. Okay. Okay, next. Yeah, make a straight line. Okay. The writer plans to fly to Ternate. Okay. No. Okay, why? You take not fly, yeah, but take sail, yeah. Okay, sail stream. Okay, great job. Yeah. Next. She wants to stay in a guest house there. True. One, two, three. True or false? True. Stand with your own decision.
Salah. Berarti bukan ini kayaknya.
Yeah. So true or false? False. False. The correct answer is yeah. Yeah. Wants to stay in. So it's in and quite different, yeah. It's like a hotel but with cheaper price. But guest house is a private house for travelers. So the parts of a blog post, yeah, the text that you just read, okay? The text that you just read is a blog post entry. Okay, maybe you are not really familiar with blog yet, but it exists times ago. Okay, so in the text, yeah, we have these three parts. The first one is the opening, and then the body of the text, and then the closing part. In opening, what do we have? The information of opening. Okay, yeah, traveler and the length of the trip, and then we have the information about the destination and the time. Okay, you still remember the traveler based on the previous text that we have. The traveler, yes, the writer. The name is. Yeah. And then the length of the trip, you still remember? 4 days. 4 days. Very good. And the destination? Okay, well done. And the time? Yeah, Sunday. Someday, okay, it's not specific yet. Okay, yeah. She writes someday. She will be there. Okay, very good. Next, the body. The body consists of the details of the trip. Like, what do we have?
I want to visit.
Yeah, the accommodation, the place where we want to stay during the holiday. Like, whether it is in the hotel or in the guest house. Yeah, and then the transportation that we are going to take. Okay, and then what else? Yeah, that's good. Yeah, that's the accommodation. Yeah, where we plan to stay. Okay, and then we have also the activities. Okay, like we want to watch a play, or we want to enjoy
Swim and fly about.
Yeah, very good. Yeah, try the local food. Okay, and then what do we have? One more. Okay, is there anything else? No. Okay, and then closing. It is about our possible feeling. Like, if you want to plan a holiday, it's simply like it will be fun, right?
Yes.
Yeah, we want to have some fun days or some interesting days. Okay, so it will be the closing. It's all about the feeling that we want to expect or want to have during the holiday. And then based on the text, I'm sure I'll have a great time. Okay, very good. Okay, now I want you to work with your partner. Yeah, work in pairs again. Okay. Do you prefer having the same partner or want to have different partners?
Same.
The same. Okay. Yeah. All right. I have a table here, and then I want you to complete or fill in the table with the information from the text. Okay? Alright. This one for you. Okay. Okay. Okay, please. Please complete the table based on the information that you just learned from the text. First, the snacks that we have.
Transportation-nya dua sebenarnya ada dua yang public transportation sama sail itu kayak apa transportation-nya ada saya ada rap dan disediakan tempat tinggal sementara.
Kan cuma jelasin dulu.
One more minute. Okay? Yeah. Are you finished already? Okay, so let's discuss. Start from the opening. The traveler and the length of the trip. We'll take the trip. The traveler. Cats. Okay. And then the length of trip. 4 days. 4 days. Okay. Spend 4 days. Very good. What about the destination? Ternate. Okay. She wants to go to Ternate. And then when? Friday. Okay. Good. What about the transportation to Ternate? Sail. Okay. And then what about the transportation when she is already there? Public transportation. Okay. Next, the accommodation. She stays in. Okay. Yeah, it's in. Very good. The places that she plans to visit are? For restaurants. Okay. Island. there will be 8 questions. Okay, in each group, you will do question and answer in turn. Yeah, like pergantian. Okay, for example, Mbak Fitri and Mbak Lily. Yeah, the first one, Mbak Fitri will ask question, and then you will try to answer, and then you will have the turn to ask her question. Okay, so there are 8 questions for each group. It means that each of you will ask 4 questions. Okay, and then we'll answer 4. Okay, yeah. Now please read the text. I give you 1 minute to learn this text. Okay. and let your partner answer. The writer is Adi. The answer is Adib's brother.
How are they traveling during the day? How are they traveling during the day?
When he is there. Transportation. Rents a motorcycle. Adibs is the writer. Yeah, but the brother. So it is Adib's brother. Yeah, just pick any of the question I want to give. You ask your friend and I answer this question. Just pick any of the question. You ask
How do you feel
Truly unforgettable experience.
Yeah. Okay, next. How long will he take the trip? 4 weeks. Okay, still at the beginning of the post. Okay, yeah. Next, how will he go there? He plans to fly. Okay, from Medan. So by plane, yeah, by an airplane. Okay, and then how is he traveling during the holiday? The transportation? Where is there? Yeah, that's it. He rents a motorcycle to go to places. Yeah, very good. And then where will he stay during the holiday? At Hotel Gangjong. Okay, good job. And then what places does you plan to visit? Annapurna. Okay, very good. And what will you do there? Yeah, he will explore Pokhara and climb Annapurna. And then he also try local tukpa. Okay, very good. And how will he probably feel for the holiday plan? Yeah, he thinks the trip will be an unforgettable experience. So he feels excited with the trip plan. Okay, very good. Okay, the last tense, yeah. Okay. Based on the book, yeah, you will work individually. Okay. No longer with your partner. No longer with your partner. Okay. I give you 1 minute to learn this text silently, and then you will work individually. You are going to retell the content of this text. Okay. Based on the information that you have just learned, like the opening, and then the body, and then the closing. Yeah, the body, it consists of the traveler, yeah, the length of the trip. Okay, so you will retell, like, for example, this is my friends. My friends and I plan to go to Banyuwangi. Okay. And we will go there for 3 days. And we plan to fly. Okay, so you read and learn the text again. Okay, and then you will retell by yourself. Okay, so you will work individually. And how you do it? I want you to make a voice note. Okay. And then you need to send to me. Yeah. I will give you the number later. Just read and learn this text first. Okay, just retell. And while you are recording your voice, okay, and send to me. This text, yeah. Okay, 1 minute to learn this text, yeah. Okay. When you are recording, you can stand in the corner and then you can stand here. So just make sure that you can do it well without any others.
Use the
Okay,
use the
okay.
knot.
Yeah, you can use that one to help you. Help you retelling. Yeah.
Use the
Okay.
You can use the table that you had before to help you retelling what you are going to say. Okay? And everything is sweet and dry. Look how much is gorgeous. And then most possible feelings here. Enjoy the you